and welcome everyone. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm coming here today with a project that we created at Ready Set Create 2025. This project was taught by Jamie Pate. I think I'm pronouncing that right, and it's using File Folder Folio Workshop. Say that 3 times fast. We used some beautiful sticker embellishments and rub-ons from Simple Stories. This was their Simple Vintage Essential Color Palette stickers and rub-ons. I do have the item number for the stickers in the description box below, so you can take a look at that. But this die itself was from Sizzix M49 Market Collection. It's a snap and swap file folder Thinlits die, and it allows you to make this gorgeous traveler's notebook inspired mini album, which is super cute. You can see here on the left-hand side, we added just a little notepad here, stapling in some vellum and some dot paper, so you can add some little notes to your project, and that's just tucked in there with a staple. This beautiful vellum, and we added embellishments from the sticker sheet, and also utilizing those rub-ons on vellum to allow them to pop but still be see-through. Gorgeous little pocket there. We have a banner tag here. You can see how we joined this album just using a quick 3 stitch. Little tags on each of the pages allows you to add some pictures, notes, whatever you'd like. And then at the end here, a little pocket that you can add some additional pictures to and then tie it closed. This was such a cute little element to add to this album, and it was super fun to make this. I will definitely be making this more in the future. So follow along and you will see some additional projects inspired by this, because this was such a fun project to make. It was a blast. You can see the belly band off there on the top right that was used to hold the project together. And so simple, so easy, but just a wow project. Thank you so much for joining us today. This was fun. Hopefully you follow along and see some of our other great projects. Take care and have a great day.